Hey everybody, it's Brent Falgione, President of Greater Omaha. I want to touch base with you real quick and explain an important safety feature that we feel has your best interest and our best interest at heart. How many times have you been driving down the road and you've had that minivan or pickup or four-wheeler or even another truck that has decided to join you in your lane of travel, unsuspecting to you? Well, sometimes in accidents, you're coming up to an intersection, the light's green, car pulls out, light turns. Some states are not so friendly for trucks. One thing we want to do is make sure that anytime you're involved in any incident, or you have somebody that even calls in and says you cut them off and you had to jam on your brakes to keep from hitting them, we're going to have video evidence of that. So what we've decided to do is we've partnered up with Bendix, and you'll see here in the windshield of the new trucks, we've got forward-facing cameras. Those cameras will only record during critical events. They'll only record facing forward. But what that does is, in an accident situation, we're able to determine who's really at fault right away. So it's no longer the big bad trucking company versus the rest of the world, because we're not the big bad trucking company. We're the men and women that make and keep America moving, provide the goods and services that we all need. And thank you first and foremost for all you do every day up and down the interstates, highways, delivering that freight safely, efficiently, on time. We know with your millions of safe miles that you drive, you are the safest group of drivers on the road, without a doubt. So that's what we've done. We've installed the Bendix forward-facing cameras on all of our trucks. They're here, they're great, and I think you're going to love them. Many of you have your own dash cams now, but we don't want you to have to spend your hard-earned money on that. Keep that money at home. That's where it needs to be. So we'll go ahead and we made the investment to do that. Thank you for all you do. Turning miles, driving safely, get you home to your family week in and week out. Thank you.